Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I am so happy that you've joined me today. Today we're going to use our new homemade tear ruler and we're going to decorate some library cards. But first, let's have our shout out to Joyce, Rebel in Romance, Ricky, Lane, Judy, Monica's English Teaching Nook, Eric and Ruthie, Judy, Morgan, and Vicky. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, you guys, I have these really cute library cards. These happen to be from digitalcollage.com. And what I would like to do with these is, let's go ahead, let's select which one shows up well. That one shows up pretty good. Let's pick that one. This one is probably pretty showy as well. This one shows up even better. Let's do this one. And what I have done is I take my corner rounder and I've just barely knocked off the tips of the library card. Then I have a little bit of gold paint, and this is Folk Art Enamels Super Coverage Gloss Finish Acrylic Paint. What color is it? Metallic gold. That's the color. So it looks like this. I know it's kind of starting to rub off on me, or maybe it's no, it's not rubbing off. It's some paint on there. So this has been out for a little while, so let me kind of break it up here a little bit, and I am just going to put some of this gold paint right here on the edge of the library card, because I just think it makes it look so rich and fancy. Kind of fancy. So I'm just going to smear it on. Be careful that you don't give yourself a paper cut. I have printed these on a lightweight cardstock. All right, so I've got my gold on the edge. Isn't that pretty? So pretty, right? So then I have a book page, and this book page is from, I think it's my mathematical book page on mathematics or maybe mechanics. I'm not sure. I think it's my math book. I'm getting paint everywhere now. And I'm going to take my tear ruler. I've already torn all the way around the edges. Now I'm going to tear right here, and I'm going to tear about an inch, give or take a little, just like that. So I have a nice strip, and then I'm going to bring in some tracing paper, and I'm going to tear my tracing paper. And this right here, now my cards are, let's start with that. My cards are 3.5 by 5.5 approximately. And this right here, my tracing paper, is a little over 3.5 by 5. And I'm just going to take my paper and I'm going to tear the edges. So with our new homemade tear ruler, and I will link that video at the end, so in case you have missed how to make yourself your own tear ruler, then you can check that out. So I'm just ripping along right here. Let's get this next one. There we go. Now, I'm not going to rip the top. I'm just ripping the sides. I'm going to go ahead and bring in my vintage photo ink, and I'm going to ink around the edge of my torn tracing paper, just like this. Okay. And then I'm going to ink around the edge of my torn book page. And I've said before, the reason why I like math books for my words that I use, my paper, my book paper that I use, is because I'm pretty sure that there aren't any bad words in it. And that's why I really like to use it. And I'm going to go ahead and ink just a little bit, kind of heavy on the back, because I did not coffee dye this paper. And I did not use coffee dyed paper, so it's kind of white on the back. All right, so I have this. Now, look how pretty this looks on here. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness, that is so pretty on there. I'm going to bring in my StazOn ink. I have my little stamp here. It has some words. It has a little mailing stamp, and it's part of the words. And I am going to actually stamp my tracing paper right down here at the bottom. Just like that. Oh my goodness, so pretty. I actually bought some StazOn cleaner, and it has come. And I was wondering, would you guys like me to show you how it works in a video? I was thinking, I really haven't tried it much myself. I have been so busy, making videos and doing things that I have not actually sat down and cleaned my stamps. But I thought that might be kind of a nice video to see how it works, to see if it's worth, buying. So anyway, put in the comments down below if you would like me to make a video of me cleaning some stamps to see how it works. All right, so I'm going to add some glue onto both sides of my paper. And you saw me fold it in half. So I folded it in half. I inked the crease. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to actually place my library card on here. So there's my library card. And then I'm going to lay my tracing paper right here, and I'm going to fold it over so it catches my tracing paper. Oh my goodness, isn't that looking beautiful? Now, I have a little bit of washi, and this washi has a little bit of gold on it. You can see it kind of shimmering. And I think I would like to use this one right here. And I'm going to find the end here, hopefully. Oh, goodness gracious, where's the end? Well, maybe I'm not going to use that one if I can't find the end. Well, that is, here it is, here it is. Here it is, here it is, we found it, we found it. Now I'm just going to tear off a little bit, and I'm actually going to place it right on top of my washi, just for some added interest. Isn't this beautiful? And it's so easy and simple, but it would be so beautiful in a tuck, in a belly band, or you can make it as a flip, because see, you've got your back decorated. You can put another stamp back here if you want. I made one with the lavender. Isn't that one pretty? I moved my washi over here. Oh my goodness, I think this is beautiful. I forgot to ink around the back of this one. And then there's this one. It's a cream color. Oh my goodness, you guys. I absolutely love these. You guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.